Assalamu alaikum class. Today we are going to learn third class uh, of one's first chapter, numbers and place values. Okay, what is the first question? How do we count, write and order large numbers? Here's some bottles, 1,000. Here is a I think it's oil type good. No, it's a drink. And these are olives and like fields. How do we count them? Let's learn and talk about it. So discover the place or position of a digit in a number tell you its size or value. Any number tell you about its value and size. For example, in 21, the 2 is at 10's value and 1 is at 1's value. So look at the number 2 to 2374. The 2 is at the value of 2000. This is 2 in 1000. And after that 3 is at the value of 100. 7 is at the value of tens and 4 is the value of unit or ones. So in the number 3045, the 0 shows that there are no hundreds. We read this number as 3045. And that's all. Now solve the questions. Write these numbers in the figure. Okay, let's write it. 4634. This is solved for us. Now we will write like it is 66,157. 6,000. Sorry. 6,000. Wait. 6,134. Not 34, 57. Okay. Next is 1,322. Look, it's a simple. Maths is very simple. You all are making it a mess. Play it like a game and love it. 5,495. Okay, solve it on your own. This is your homework. Okay, in words. We can also write them in words. Sorry, there's a construction working outside my house, and let's do our work. This is 4,000. 4,300 and 72. Sorry, 72. Okay, next is 6,000 700 and 23. Okay, now do this as our homework. Next is look at these numbers and answer these questions. What is the largest number that you can make from these four numbers? Digits, sorry. So we can make it like 9741. Writing it in a descending order, like greatest, smallest, smallest. It will make a greatest number, largest number. What is the largest even number? What is even? Even that start from 0, 1, 0, 2, 4 and all that. Okay, what is the largest even number that you can make with all 4 digits? So for even number, we have to write 4 at the last, and its largest, so again we will write it in rest of the numbers in descending order. Okay, now using all these numbers, sorry, make the smallest possible number. What is the number? We will write in ascending order: 1, 4, 7 and 9. Now D part is your homework. Next is when you know the value of a digit, you can partition a number. Yes, you can partition. It is 2000, that is written 100, 135. Now we will write it in partition. 3000 is written, and you will write next 621. Now these are your exercise, and do it by making your screenshot in mobile. Now solve it. 1000 plus, plus 500 plus 200 plus 6, and that's all. Okay, next is the underlined digit in this number is 5000. So we will write the value. Here is 4268. So this is underlined number is 4 and its value is 4000. Next is 2. Here 2 is 200. Okay, class. Practice these questions. Ask if you have any queries in the please write comments as if you didn't understand what I teach you. Also do your homework. This will give you 100% marks in your exams. Okay, and also subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you.